Let me ask you a question. What if you could make $2 by clicking a button and watching a simple video? And what if you could do it again and make anywhere from $10 to $200? And there are no limitations. And the best part is that you can accomplish it all with just a smartphone or a computer. In only a few minutes, you may start earning money online. Withdraw money instantly with PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, Paytm, Payoneer, Gcash, and other methods. It is available anywhere in the world with no investment because this is a 100% free strategy. And remember, the more apps you use, the more money you will make. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn about all of these 5 websites and apps that will help you increase your earnings. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the
Easy Cash Money Daily channel,
where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. The first website I'd like to show you how to get money online simply by watching videos is Feature Points. You can get this software for free from the Google Play Store or the App Store, and it is available worldwide. Take a look at this. This website has been here since 2012. You can earn money by entering a contest, taking surveys, watching videos, or even getting cash back. However, in this video, we'll just focus on watching money-making videos because that's the quickest, easiest, and highest paying job on this website. If you want to sign up, simply enter your email address below and click Sign Up Now. You may do this on your phone or computer. Now, if you pay careful attention, I'll log into my account and show you exactly how I'm doing it before you go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm still making money every day, and all you have to do is play the video in the background. I do it on my computer, on my phone, and in the background, I simply play as much video as I can. Allow it to run on its own. I don't have to touch it, and I don't even have to watch the video. All I have to do is leave it running in the background and earn money passively. As you can see, I still have many points. So now I will show you how I can cash out money using these points. Now, for example, I'll select cash right here, and you'll see PayPal. Simply click on any amount you want. Please double check your email address with your PayPal account once you've made a withdrawal. So I'm just going to buy the reward. Click here and then confirm my password before clicking submit. You only wait for a moment after the reward has been processed and will be delivered to your PayPal account. Withdrawing your money is a very simple procedure. Now, when you go to the offers section, click on offers, and you may notice a number of well-known companies. For example, a well-known company that allows you to watch videos while earning money. As you can see, you can get $5 every time you reach 1,000 points. Now let me tell you a bonus method that you may utilize. If you have many desktops or mobile devices, use them all to open multiple browser tabs and watch multiple videos at the same time. Now, I normally use Google Chrome and open 3 or 4 tabs, then leave the video running in the background while I do other things. Because the video is still playing, I can continue to earn money passively, and you know how quickly the money adds up. The nicest aspect is that it's completely passive in the sense that I don't have to do any manual work. And you don't need any prior expertise to simply click play and watch a video. Now, if you stick with me until the finish, I'll show you a few more websites and programs. When all of this is combined, you can make double, triple, 4 or 5 times more money even faster. So now I'll show you the second app that allows you to earn money simply by watching videos. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now, App Nana is the name of the second app. You may download it on your iOS or Android phone, And once there, you can do a variety of things such as play games, do surveys, and watch videos. Nana's Point is the point system they're using here. Now you can basically turn those Nana points into real money. As you can see, you earn Nana, which you can then convert and cash out through PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and a variety of other methods. You can also earn money by participating in the referral program. You may simply click on this link to be sent to a website where you can enter all of your information to sign up, and that's all there is to it. It's actually rather simple, and you can share the code on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or any other social media platform. Simply share this with your friends to generate one additional source of income while you watch the video to generate the second source of income. Now let's move on to the third website, My Points, which I like because they offer a $10 welcome bonus. Who doesn't like the fact that when you sign up for free, you get $10 welcome bonus right away without having to do anything? This is simply incredible. All you have to do is enter your email address and password and click the Join Now button. Again, there are a variety of ways to earn money on this app, one of which is by watching videos. Now let me show you app number 4, which is App Trailers. This app has been quite popular for many years. They continually upgrade and release new versions. And if you're reading this right now, you should be pleased since they've just published a new update that allows you to view videos while earning money. This is a fantastic chance because the older version would only give you a small amount of money. Right now, they're going to pay you a lot more money than that for the newest version. Now, I recommend that you view at least 3 to 5 videos at the same time so that you can make a lot more money in a shorter amount of time. Take a look at this rating and reviews, which is a fantastic rating considering that many apps only get 3 stars, and this one gets more than that. There has been a lot of nice feedback from the users. Now, we'll move on to the final app, Creation Rewards, which offers a $5 sign-up bonus. Once again, by simply watching videos on these apps, you can earn free gift cards and cash. But one thing I'd like to bring out is that this app has been around since 2000, which is a long period, and they've been paying their users for 18 years. You can perform a variety of things, including pay surveys, watch videos, visit websites, shop online, complete offers, and refer friends and family. Now, I spend most of my time watching videos and occasionally visiting websites. They're all fairly simple even if you have no prior experience. And one word of caution, don't attempt to complete the survey on this website. Please don't do it since they pay extremely little money and you'll be wasting your time. I tried it myself. So just concentrate on watching videos, and if you enjoy it, I would recommend that you complete different offers related to visiting and browsing websites if you want to earn more money. There are a lot of various huge and well-known companies in one single app. Make sure to click that to receive your daily bonuses, since they provide you with a bonus extra money every time or every morning you log into your dashboard. So make sure you log in every day to claim those bonuses, because if you do this for 30 days in a row for 1 month, they will send you a lot more videos to watch, allowing you to earn even more bonus money. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.